Hi, I'm Melina and welcome to Expert Village. Today we're going to make a beautiful mushroom and butterfly incense burner out of polymer clay. In this next step, we're going to create the butterfly wings that are going to go on the butterfly of our mushroom. So we're going to select our colors for the butterfly, and we had picked blue. Butterfly creature that's going to overpower the entire thing. You're aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. That's the goal. Basically, you're going to draw a butterfly. So we're going to start with the outside top wing. You're going to draw a butterfly without the body. So you're going to draw the wings as one whole piece. And you don't want to get too complicated because, again, we're going to cut this out and it's very flimsy, so you don't want to get, too elaborate. Just make simple butterfly shape. Cutting through with your poker. You want to lift it up when you're done and shape the wings, even them out if you have to. You can test it out, and if it looks like it's going to be too big, then you can make it smaller. If it looks like it's too small, then you can add more. I think this is a really nice size